People say, you know, you must be pretty confident in the quality of the machine if you were willing to sell your father-in-law and his brother a slurry tanker. And to be fair, within 10 weeks they ordered the second one. I'm Ieuan Evans from Ieuan Evans Agri-Services, contracting and farming from Llanybri, Carmarthen. So on the farm, I'm fourth generation beef suckler herd, calving about 70 cows a year, up to 140 head at the moment. Me and my father and my mother as well are all in the farm. We own 105 acres and renting 60 acres for silage ground then. 2021, started looking, a few farms asked about tankers, so I looked at a few brands, looking at build quality, paint quality, and just basically backup support as well. And I thought that this was the brand for me. You know, the build quality of it is fantastic. You know, the first tanker is 4-year-old now, and the paintwork is as good as the day I had it, to be honest. So at the moment we're running 2 New Holland tractors, a T7 270 and a T7 260, running 2 Grass Technology tankers, 3,500 gallon with the Grass Technology 10-metre dribble bar, a Grass Technology 4,100 gallon tanker with the 8-inch arm and turbo fill then. The 4,100 gallon then came in 2024, only because the farms were hauling a lot further, so they wanted the bigger tankers, be more cost effective. So I went for the lazy arm and turbo fill. Just, you know, the way farms are now, they like to see you come into the farm, onto the yard and off the yard really quick. So that's why I went for the lazy arm and the turbo fill, just to be more cost effective for the farmer and just get a bit of an edge on other contractors in the area. The tanker standard does cover, you know, a lot of what you need. You know, you got your fill points, your big pump, your lights on the back, your pipe holders. You know, all that comes as standard dribble bar ready. So if you do need to add a dribble bar, you don't have to go to the big expense of doing all the pipe work. It's already on the tanker. Found as well with Grass Technology, you're not just, you know, telling them what you want or ticking any boxes. You're actually speaking to the manufacturer themselves and Dara to make the product suit you as best as they can. So over the last couple of months now, your interest in the tankers have started to pick up, and the zero grazers as well. You know, people say, you know, you must be pretty confident in the quality of the machine if you were willing to sell your father-in-law and his brother a slurry tanker. And to be fair, within 10 weeks they ordered the second one again. So they wanted something slightly different, so they went for the sand auger in the 2 tankers. They do a lot of slurry on the sand. They say when they open up the side hatch there is nothing left inside, so the augers are doing what they are supposed to do in the end. So yeah, with Martin Fox, the UK sales manager now, whether it's night or day, you know, you can just give him a ring, get a price from him, or if there's any backup support or parts, you can ring him any time of day and he will do his utmost best to get it sorted as soon as possible. So anyone, you know, in Wales, England, Scotland, who are looking for any product from Grass Technology, Martin Fox is definitely the place to go to get your prices for them. With Grass Technology, with the zero grazers, so you can bring the grass into the cows, so you're feeding the cows, and then what comes out the back end of the cow, then we've got the tankers to take out the slurry, whether it's splash plate, trailing shoe, dribble bar, you know, if you need any overhead booms, you know, for nurse tank work. It's a one-stop shop really, Grass Technologies. But yeah, it's on a roll, eh?